Hello folks, little video just to explain the new support and resistance function in eWavesHarmonics. I wasn't very happy with the original version, so it's had a complete rework over the last week. So you can select support and resistance with this one button here. There were two buttons there originally, but that's combined into one. So if you're trading the hourly chart, you might be interested in the support and resistance levels from the daily. So if we switch to the daily, and zoom in a bit. And let's get some support and resistance. So eWavesHarmonics does the levels in I think it's a rather unique way, but this is configurable in the options. I won't go into how that's done at the moment. So you can define an initial look back period. So I think this is defaulted to 150 bars, and you can see it's picked up the support in red and the resistance in green. You can, while this rectangle's here, you can delete some. So let's say you don't want that one there. You can just delete it. Maybe you don't want that one there. And there you go. So that's within the default, but as you can see, price is broken down below now, so we're interested in support and resistance below there. So this is where it gets clever. We can move the rectangle, let's say to there, and now this is changed to V SNR. So you can press that and it draws the lines there. And maybe you're interested in some back here as well. You can do the same there. And delete the ones you don't want while the rectangle's there, because when you press the options button you can't select these. They're basically just unselectable, so that you don't accidentally drag on them while you're busy doing something else. Now we can switch to the hourly and see how well those levels worked. Quite nicely. So obviously these are support and resistance is an area rather than a fixed line. You can see how it worked very nicely there, and there, and there, up here, and down here, perfectly, back up to there. So these are all lines you can see when they were drawn. So that was from the 30th of May 2017, and this one down here from the 30th of May 2016. So these old levels do work very nicely, and if you want to, you could go to the monthly and add some more. There you go. Anybody happy with that? We'll just leave it. And if you then decide you don't want the daily anymore, go back to the daily. Click options, and then you click on the SNR, and then the DSR means you can delete the lines. So it's only for this time frame. So if you click that, they're gone. So now we are only left with the monthly lines, and you can see how that particular monthly line all the way back from 2015 worked quite nicely to hold price there. And that's it. That's the new support and resistance function in eWavesHarmonics.